Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will cover the Excel month function. The Excel month function returns the numeric month from the selected date. The month function has one argument, serial number, also known as the date value. In the first example I will show the basics of the month function. In column A we have our date values, and in column B is where we want to store the results. In cell B2 let's add our formula. Equals month, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. Now let's review the results we have in column B. As you can see in rows 2 through 4, the month is extracted from the date. Row 3 is a serial number representing January 13th, 2023. In row 5, we get a value error since 12/31/1899 is not a valid Excel date. In our practical example, we have the cells of our employees. We'd like to create a pivot table to show the total sales per month. We have our date in column C, so let's add our month formula to column D. Equals month, open parentheses, C9, close parentheses. Now that we have our months, let's create a pivot table to group the cells by month. Let's put our cursor in cell F9, click on the Insert tab, and click on Pivot Table. In the Pivot Table dialog box, click on Table and Range, and type in Cells. This is the name of our table. Click on OK, and you will see our pivot table creation box. Now drag the month into the rows box, and our cells into the values box. With a little formatting, we now have a readable table showing the cells per month. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.